Hi guys, today I am reviewing the KEEPOW number 1304F Dirt Devil F112 filters for my Dirt Devil upright. Here's what the filters look like. They come with the foam outer filter and then the inner filter. And I've washed these many times and I've never had one fall apart on me. I just keep a new one in the machine and then wash the old one and just kind of rotate through them. Pretty dirty. I wash these quite often, but while they're drying I like to just put in a new one and kind of keep them rotated. I'm just going to take this off with a bag so I can bring it over to the sink and clean it. Now I'll take the new one . Get it snapped in. Good as new. I usually clean that whole housing, but just for demonstration purposes, I thought I'd show you how easy it is, and they fit this vacuum cleaner good. This package that I purchased is a 5-pack, and they've lasted me a long time. They're really a good value. I'm not sure if the company still sells the 5-pack anymore, but that's how I purchased it. In any case, they're really a good value, and I highly recommend them.